Now, I'm a teacher from the College of Education. You post me 1 year now, my year Juma every time. But me nyaska, young Jamaica. Sister America say me fear, me time aso. Order me too. Either they met ya, another me to a couple for. Some ya a scar, some couple for a scar. We don't have the money. Yeah,
my university from a Jumana, on a Jumana, yeah. Better 10 months, no one time I come about, so we're booming. So babuyin like one kasa you nimnya sakra.
All right, so Mr. Fanya show we am dindi no go artist high Ghana some TV. Make sure say over subscribe to the channel no na fa wadun chere bra conversation. Abusiafo teachers ewa Ghana no. Teachers na ya famu from Nanado time best na MAHAMA time way 2025 way. See they have not received any 10%. Since President John Dramani MAHAMA Basui for 9 months, they have worked. These people have worked for 13 good months. They have not received 10 pesos till now. In TNA, Oma Fair press conference. They are throwing. Omu brought their hearts out. And they have threatened the government. Say they are giving the government up to the end of this month on Chiamuka. And yes, sir, they will go on strike. Actually, say strike, loading, strike no lodiba. Sisi ankola be school. Sisi ankola start some be school no. And no na teachers no start some threaten. Say sometimes ne enya mumu photo. Mu teachers we mu no time. COVID by a mutine fikra nanado chiamuka. Nanado danko akufado chiamuka in COVID na mutine fia munchirade pono. Nanado has been able to pay you people. But edu abatwano musi na John Dramani MAHAMA be chantroa chiramono. Oh, mweni aje and he's coming to cancel licensure exam. Inti sisiana come dim. A come Ziano Musi you want us to say something for you. A common about kumu. Say ye can't channel. But moon person betty. I was a my conan cotidia.
Yanya call teacher training no ya juma afimu. Yensanka ketua ba ko krampo. Yenso call invest in so a juma bosono watching. Abra yensa enka aketua ba kumpo. Ya de osi etimi ye bia ya boji yes mpanyfo omasem omoka kire nyina ne se de oso mo ye bia no omaye na emom ni nyina efa ni nyina akwa kogina finance minister say obe release sika no ye tia ka empempenso ayedu abrabom no ye mu bi ye ha emu bi nso ye tete eniwo emu ne nam bosome so age se yesre firi ye nuanom ho ansa na ye nsampo etimi akoya no enti your friends and chire your friend press conference here the eka nyina ne said yentimi entoa so enha entity say abra yenso ye Ghana fo abra yenso yakọ school ya famra kwan so afa yadwuma na ya famra kwan so aye bibia abesi na yentua yeka ye ne ewa anum say emu bi no ye staff ID yensa ka enso besume so a yensa nka akatua ebi nso ensa nka on staff ID kra ebi nso epipesa osenka ohwe na nka ye process mom no edan ho original offices enti ye fasa akonya we so ni aka kire minister for education any director for education any finance ministry any omampanya owo Ghana hanum say omampanya be di akire chief of staff chief imam Christian council any obi biara oka bibia eyeye bia say isi ade ameye ne mpanyfo say nsuo we tapo nkirani a ojewo bosumi aye wo mu say anti bibi amfa yaketua ho ye besi abonten so na esi abonten so a eye nimguase esi abonten so a esa be ye oha ama oban Ghana efri se ye mampanyin ye kasema ote enti ye fasa akonya we so ni abo ye mampanyin asutre se ni ye namu no ye numu bi enimu guase wo community ewom de namu no ebi wu de namu no efierafo epam ye namfofo ni bi enti ye pese o tuni nan si asem we so na wotwe di enimu na se controller otua abanyadwuma foka etuaka da etoso the 22nd of this month na se yenya akatua de a ye besi abonten na abonten na ye besi nso no ye ba ye de nananom ne papa nom a omo da yare mpa so nyina bedi echi ama na ye nimguase enti yesra o mampanyin ene na bedi echire chief of staff obi o ka bibia ewo mu bia se ebre ni nie Ghana yenso ye Ghana fo de sebia se o se ye de yensa ka se Ghana echirechefo de yesra on se on be me yensa ka enimguase no adoso yeda wase.
Ghana should speak for us. Ghana should speak for us. We have nowhere to sleep, yet we are expected to go back to the classrooms to teach. We know it is our responsibility as teachers to go out there to teach. Where do we sleep? Where do we put our heads? The mattress we lie on, we even bought it on credit. Our creditors are after us. Ghana, the whole world, speak for us. The injustice is too much. We are human beings. We have wives, we have children, we have families, and we have responsibilities as well. Where do we begin our life? Should we begin our lives on paying debts? Is that what we wish for ourselves as a country? Ghana, stand up and speak for us.
Ebusia, wemu, omo no mo kira ye nkola mo ade e wo school. Eno na om si President John Dramani Mahama ntumi omuka. Eno na me say na do time amumuti na fie kra no otua muka ene kra no mu ye no bone aye mutumfun muka semfun achia na do danko agofado time na mumuti fie otua muka no kra no. You people couldn't appreciate this man because of licensing exam. You people said a lot of bad things about another government, no, and government na mu sorry ko twaba no boom no waba won shem and we should talk some for you. Ye ko kan saying na ye because we told you before that this man John Dramani Mahama, we know him. He has been here before. Onya ni pafufro ye nim no nim de obetumi aye. Yeah, come person better. This year, what Jimmy Musi, we should say something for you. We should say something for you.
With colleges of education, we will cancel your licensure exams. Your licensing as teachers will be included in your final year program. And so when you come out of school after finishing your final year program, you come out as a licensed teacher. And then for our nurses and our teachers, we're not going to wait until election year before we open the employment portal. It will be open every year and we'll continue to employ every year. Every year we'll keep employing and filling up the gap every year instead of a government that waits till it's time for elections. Then they say the employment portal is open. No, NDC is not that kind of government. We're going to improve the programs on our nursing training campuses, introduce specialized programs, degree awarding programs and all that, so that we can have self-improvement for all our young nurses who are going through school.
Northern region, no. Northern region. Because of some police, Dabi. Police is threatening and so CMP, if you have say. I want to know where Bema Fahase, Yababu. Check. My co-university from a Jumana on a Jumana, yeah. Bear 10 months, no time I come about, so booming. So babuin, like one Casayo, Nimyan Sacra. Charlie, upon uniform to baby, no shady. You are not a Passa uniform, no. It's no uniform in time in Fino, but or you to baby a trouble. One in Casamano cry, ye charent, ye the car, more preference in Jacka. Near Bunny Bonfire was sent patrol, Unjaka or say a corporate police barber or by threatening. Sure, Obi exercise I have for Juma. My course school university, Jamaica 10 months. Now, Oakland and Joka 2 months for Becassa. Who police in Joka 2 months. My family association, Yaba was a man and Castle Babuyan. Some police, you know, and a man in Castle Babuyan.